Okay, 2 new products dumating dito sa aking studio. And this is the all-new na DJI Mic Mini 2S. Straight from the success ng Mic Mini 2 na laging sold out sa kanilang mga online stores, kaya naglabas siguro sila ng 2S. Now, there are some significant changes dito sa Mic Mini 2S, and I have 2 different creator combo over here. One is para sa mga may DSLR and the other one is para sa mga smartphone user. But basically, yung mic niya is exactly the same, except iba lang yung kanyang packaging. So, are you excited? Buksan natin after this quick intro. Now, first off, this is yung kanyang 2 transmitter, meaning dalawang microphone. And kaya niya mag-support ng DSLR, which later sasalpak natin dito sa ating Sony na camera, which is the A6700, para matest natin fully yung kanyang sound capability. So, buksan ko na. So, we have yung kanyang QR. So, labas natin. So, sa loob, meron tayong user guide and of course, yung kanyang mga stickers. Then, of course, meron siyang magandang pouch na kasama na pwede mong hawakan ng ganon in case. Unzip natin. Ho, ho, ho! So, nandito yung kanyang colorful na plates na pwede natin isalpak, no, sa ating mic. Similar kay Mic Mini 2, kung meron ka nun. And of course, nandito yung ating mic na sa loob. Meron siyang dalawang transparent na front cover and meron din siyang dalawang extra magnet na kasama. And of course, nandito ang kanyang aux cable and ang kanyang charging cable. So, yung aux cable, gagamitin natin yan pangkabit sa ating DSLRs. So, buksan na natin. Uy, nakakabit na pala sa kanya outright yung kanyang windscreen. Oh, di ba? Ganda. Andito naman yung ating receiver. So, pwede may calibrate yung kanyang volume dito sa gilid. And in case na gusto mo salpakin sa inyong smartphone, meron din siyang attachment na Type-C. If in case itong package na nabili mo, meron kang DSLR and you're also shooting sa smartphone, 2-in-1 na to. So, I'll take out one of these. So, tanggalin ko lang yung kanyang wind protector. Now, one thing na napansin ko dito sa kanya, yung sa kanyang likod, no, is that it's detachable. No? So, before, hindi, nakakabit siya, no? So, whenever you want to put a magnet dito sa likod, pwede naman, no? Pagsalpak mo, medyo mas angat lang siya. Pero ito, what's nice dito sa kanya is feel mo flat na flat sa inyong damit, no? So, the moment na pagdikit mo, yung ito nasa likod. But there are some people, no, na ayaw yung ito, na medyo siguro irritated sila. So, kaya may kasama pa rin siya yung dalawang square magnet para sa likod. So, yung magnet lang yung nasa loob, this would still be outside ng kanyang clip. Yeah, alligator clip siya in case. So, yung kanyang design is medyo throwback. May pagka-translucent siya and hindi siya nagkakalayo sa itsura ng Mic Mini 2. So, salpakan muna natin ng isa. Siyempre, favorite color natin dito sa channel natin is definitely the color yellow. Sobrang dali lang ito isalpak, do. Ganun lang. Ayan, nakasalpak na siya. Eh, diba? It changes every time na you want to personalize it. Maganda siya, no? Let's say, iba ang damit mo for today. Gusto mo matchy-matchy sa yung color, yung nagko-contrast, maganda. So, iba yung gamit mo pag naka-jacket ka, iba yung nakagamit mo pag naka-polo ka, iba naman yung gamit mo pag naka-t-shirt ka. It matches your personality, no? Yung the way yung get up mo. This is definitely something cool para sa akin, no? Very innovative para kay DJ. Kasi alam naman natin yung mga microphone is so boring na parang microphone lang yan eh. I mean, how can you be innovative? So, ito ang ginawa ni DJI, which is for me, a really cool idea for different creator, iba-ibang color gusto nila. And probably, if you're a bit artistic, pwede mo pang pinturahan to eh. Gawan mo siya ng colors, no? And by the way, si DJI has collaborated with international renowned na illustrator, si Victor Ngai, to create 4 illustrations. Dawn, Surge, Blaze, and Glimmer. I like yung Glimmer, no? It feels good sa aking theme dito sa Gadget Sidekick kasi yellow and black is definitely my theme. But of course, if I get the time, and if you have yung mga Gunpla na paint at home, pag nagpe-paint kayo ng mga Gundams, no? Pwede na pinturahan to, itong plate na to, to make it very colorful na would match your theme ng iyong channel or your page. I would say it's definitely uniquely yours lang. So quickly, sinalpak ko rin naman isa-isa to. So basically, we've tried all of the colors here. We have yellow, we have orange, we have pink, we have green, blue, lavender, violet, and meron ding gray. So basically, there's so many colors for you to choose from. Siguro for me, kulang dito si color red, no? Para kompleto ng buong Power Rangers na set. Today, Red Ranger ka, o feel mo maging Yellow Ranger or Pink Ranger, di ba? Kompleto. Just being creative like DJI. Now, of course, if you're interested, I'll pop it on the link on the description box below or nandyan lang sa YouTube shopping link. Click nyo lang siya, mare-redirect kayo para makabili kayo with vouchers coming from me. Now, okay, so right now, I'll be switching itong microphone ko to the DJI Mic Mini 2S. So basically, after this video, this is going to be my daily driver. So right now, gamit natin naka-green mode, no? Meaning naka-on ang aking noise cancelling. And there's two modes ng noise cancelling dito sa mic na ito, which makakalikot mo siya sa DJI na Mimo app, which later papakita ko sa inyo. So right now, kakabit ko lang siya dito. Ayan. So ganito magiging itsura ng mic, no? So it looks good, fashionable, blue and yellow naman, and yellow is Gadget Psychic naman. So I feel great, no? So probably if I have the time, the extra time, pipinturan natin to. I'll make it colorful. Kasi since meron naman tayo dalawang extra na plate na yung clear, transparent white niya, yun yung kakoloran natin, no? Probably I'll show you in the future video sa one of my shorts video about the DJI Mic Mini 2S. Makita nyo, no? We'll paint it to the way that we like it. So baka ninyo yan. Ako magiging si Victo sidekick for the day. So one of the features dito is meron siyang 3 na default na preset na tone. Meron siyang regular, meron siyang bright, and meron siyang rich. Pag default ang ginamit mo, no, meron siyang balance, clear, and full vocals coming from your voice. Pag bright naman, ini-enhance niya yung kanyang treble, no, para medyo mas bright, mas airy yung sound without yung harshness. Pag yung rich naman, ini-enhance niya yung bass, giving you a rich, warm sound without yung muddiness niya. Lahat niya makakalikot mo yan sa iyong DJI Mimo app, which later papakita ko sa inyo. Itong new feature na ito is available lang dito sa Mic Mini 2S. Meron siyang 2 level ng adaptive gain control, clipping control, and loudness balancing. By default, naka-on ang clipping control natin. Sinusuppress na yung mga excessive volume, and automatically binababaan niya yung kanyang gain to prevent distortion. Yung loudness balancing naman, it automatically adjusts yung kanyang gain. It can boost yung quiet sound to give you a consistent na volume level. Now, did you know na si Mic Mini 2S can support up to 4 na transmitter and 4 microphone basically. And hindi mo kailangan bumili lahat ng Mic 2S dahil it can switch between cross-generation. So, meaning, kung meron kang Mic Mini, Mic Mini 2, or Mic 3 ng DJI, lahat yan pwede mo i-pair together with this one. So, since dalawa naman kasama nito, you need 2 more. Diba? Kung, let's say, nagpa-podcast kayo, gusto nyong, ano lang kayo, no? Wireless lang gamit ninyo, you can have 4 mics, no? Or, you're talking to 4 different person, imbis na iabot mo yung mic sa kanya pa. So, each one of you has their own microphone, which is nice, di ba? I mean, it's a nice idea, no? So, siguro kung before meron kang Mic Mini, then bumili ka nito for an upgrade, hindi mo na kailangan i-discard si Mic Mini. Pwede mo siyang gawin expansion set mo na mic, giving you 4 microphone all at the same time with 1 receiver. Ayos, di ba? It's also a good way for DJI to recycle yung mga older na gadgets mo with them. And of course, this one is compatible with your DJI na ecosystem. So you have Action 6, you have Osmo Pocket 4, 4P, Osmo Pocket 3. Lahat yan pwede mo i-pair dito, no? So giving you latest technology ng Mic 2S together with your shooting gear, like the action cameras. Now, one of the good thing din na napansin ko dito sa microphone na ito is magaan siya at 12 grams, no? Siguro 1 gram heavier than the Mic 2. Pero okay, di ba? Pag kinapit ko dito, hindi gumagano ng aking collar kasi magaan lang naman siya, just 12 grams. And this one basically has a 14.5 gigs, roughly 28 hours of voice recording inside. Built-in dito sa kanyang receiver. 14.5 gigs, no? Isipin mo. Laki din. And what's nice is pag nakadock ang iyong receiver, pwede mo ikabit dito yung ganyang PC via C cable, and it can transfer up to 34 Mbps na transfer speed ng iyong mga audio recording inside yung kanyang receiver, which is pretty solid, no? If you're, kunwari, let's say, hindi nakakabit na mabuti yung aux cable sa inyong camera, naka-loose, pero naka-on ang yung audio recording sa inyong microphone, kahit hindi nakakabit, no, you can still retrieve yung voice coming from your microphones, which is a good feature to have. Siyempre, ayaw mo mag-reshoot, di ba? I mean, ang hirap nun. You prepare for the whole day for the shoot, tapos wala palang audio, no? So, it's a safety net na meron kang audio recording turn on every time that you record something with this one, si Mic Mini 2S. Now, each transmitter can record up to 11 hours of usage straight with a single charge. And of course, ang kanyang receiver on a single charge can be used for 10 hours. All in all, pagkasama yung kuryente dito sa inyong charging case, it can give you 40 hours of usage, which is good. And for every 5 minutes na charge mo, you can use it for 1R. Ayos, di ba? I mean, when you're on emergency, nasa outdoor ka, bigla na ubusan ka, kabit mo sa yung power bank ng 5 to 10 minutes, it can give you for another an hour or two na usage. And by the way guys, itong DJI Mic Mini 2S can be used up to 400 meters. 400 meters guys on open space. Basta walang obstruction, 400 meters ang kaya na i-transmit from here to 400 meters there. Imagine, no? So, if you're in the field, kunwari, nasa farm ka or somewhere nasa park ka, Disneyland, ikaw tumatakbo ka na, yung cameraman mo naghahabol na, nandun ka na, siguro mga 3 to 400 meters na, nagsishoot pa siya, pwede siya mag-zoom. It can still capture your voice here. So, right now, i-unbox lang natin to, no? Yung ating smaller version. This is a one transmitter na package, perfect for mga mobile shooters. Inside, of course, we have our user guide and stickers. Labas ko lang to, no? You'll see me using this more in my future videos on outdoors. So, syempre, mas maliit siya, mas cute, mas madali i-handle, no, pag sa labas. Uy, we got 2 more face cover to paint in case na natuwa tayo sa mga painting natin. Nakahiwalay yung kanyang windscreen. We have yung kanyang magnet din. Type-C cable. And the unit itself. Well, guys, it's way smaller. Cute, no? Diba? So, you see the difference. So, if you are a single person na nagsushoot sa labas, definitely this is the better package to handle compared sa bibit-bitin mo tong malaki na ito. But of course, syempre, if you're going to interview 2 person, I would say this is better. But if you're just doing your daily vlogs, I think this is perfect. Buksan natin. No, ganito, sobrang simple lang. So basically, one is our transmitter. Wala siyang kasama mga colorful plates. It is only available if you buy the 2 transmitter package. And we also have this one, nakakabit mo sa inyong C-port. This acts as yung kanyang receiver. So right now, we're going on, kakabit ko sa aking iPhone 17 para i-test ito. And I'll show you the different modes, the different recording modes na meron na feature dito sa DJI Mic Mini 2S. So right now guys, nakakonect tayo sa ating iPhone 17. So itong DJI na Mic Mini 2S. So gamit ko is yung ating smaller package which has one na transmitter, 1TX, no? So, ito yung maliit. Right now, no, naka-turn off yung ating noise cancelling. And pakita ko lang sa inyo quickly yung screenshot, no? Pag nakakonect sa DJI Mimo app, makita mo, no, all of the things na pwede mong kalikutin, stereo mono, pwede mong kalikutin yung kanyang treble and bass niya, no, so gains, and some of the stuff na gusto mong kalikutin, pero more of siguro mga pro level na mga user. Pero sa akin, ginagamit ko mostly yun na sa ilalim niya, yung noise cancelling niya. Right now, naka-off tayo. There's 3 modes like I told you kanina. Naka-off, basic, and of course, yung strong, no. So right now, we're going off with the no noise cancelling, and sa ilalim, no, it still has a lot of things to na makakalikot mo, no, yung mga recording dito sa ating microphone na DJI. So right now we have some things na gusto nating pakita sa inyo, mga some expansion na accessories, but right now i-turn on ko muna yung ating basic na noise cancelling. So right now, this is recording using yung basic noise cancelling. Either you can use it, kalikutin mo sa app mo, or pwede mong gamitin dito sa inyong receiver. May switch dyan, no, to turn yung 3 modes, no. So i-clip ko lang muna dito para hindi ka mahirapan. So we have something called yung kanyang camera adapter, no. So pwede natin kapit to yung sa kanyang hot shoe to use yung Type-C port, no, ng ating receiver. So, depende kung support ng yung DSLR to. Next one is yung adapter na lightning. So, there are still some people using mga iPhone 13 na pababa. You can use this one pang convert na kasi itong default na is Type-C. You need a C to lightning adapter para magamit ninyo itong Mic 2S natin. Meron din tayong tinatawag dito na extender, C2C na extender. In case na medyo makapal ang yung case, yung phone case, and ayaw nyo nang tanggalin, no, while you're using, you can buy an extender like this one, no, para umabot. And this is one of my favorite, no. So, di ba nakita natin, no, ang daming color mga faceplate niya, but this one, pati yung kanyang windscreen, may colors. So, nandito yung mga windscreen natin. I personally choose this one, the color green. Kakaiba lang siya, no. O, di ba ganda? Color green. What do you think, guys? Maporma ba? So, right now, switch ko muna, no, bago tayo magtuloy ng kwentuhan. Switch natin sa strong na noise cancelling. So, right now, nasa strong noise cancelling tayo. May noise tayo dito, may noise tayo doon. So, kamusta naman ang aking audio, no? So, I would say na ang mga people behind DJI, matatalino yan, no? Kasi ang microphone naman talaga boring, eh. ano ba mai-improve mo sa microphone, no? Just the same. Siguro, nag-improve ka lang sa noise cancelling, humahaba lang yung battery life, and nag-iiba yung design mo. Minsan bilog, minsan square, minsan rectangle. Pero yung changing colors ng ganyang front cover, front plate, ang ganda. And lalo na ginawa nilang colored to, yung ganyang windscreen. For me, good job, DJI. I like it. So, guys, no, kamusta naman aking audio quality? And moving forward, I believe na itong mic na ito yung gagamitin na natin to do all of my daily shorts, daily vlogs, no? Mabilis na kasi siyang bitbitin kasi maliit na siya sobra. So yun guys, nakita mo na yung performance ng DJI Mic Mini 2S. And I would say it's really awesome. Lalo na itong package ito, no? Sobrang small, sobrang dali ilagay sa aking sling bag. And no hassle, no, na bitbitin to anywhere I go. Kasi maliit lang siya. I would rather bring this one than this one. Pero this one definitely is a must if you have a DSLR. Kasi hindi support ng DSLR ang USB-C. You'll definitely go for an audio cable for sure like this one. Ayan guys, so kaya ka meron tayong ganon. So I hope guys nalinawan kayo with the features na meron ng bagong Mic Mini 2S DJI. It's really good. It's a perfect combo if you want to level up your audio without having to shell out too much money. So you can always opt for something na mini, no? Matagal din naman ng recording time, up to 40 hours. For me, kahit mag-podcast ka naman 3 oras, walang problema, no? And siguro mag-live selling ka ng roughly siguro mga 3 hours, walang problema tong mga microphone na ito. Kayang-kaya nilang i-handle yung ganong kahabang oras, no? Kasi sinabi naman niya, ni DJI, na kaya na mag-support up to 11 hours straight ang kanyang transmitter. So if you guys are interested dito, I'll pop the link on the description box below kung saan siya pwede mabili. And don't forget to click yung ating YouTube shopping link dito para ma-redirect kayo and mabili nyo itong gadget na ito at a discounted price with vouchers coming from me to you. So of course guys, ina-encourage ko kayo to like, subscribe dito sa aking channel so you don't miss out yung mga videos just like this one. Review ng DJI Mic Mini 2S. So hanggang dito muna ako guys, and I'll see you when you see me. Peace out. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.